For our 5th wedding anniversary, I gifted us a murder mystery dinner, which is everything we love. The concept is that you check into an atmospheric hotel and an immersive performance begins where actors interact with you and you ask them leading questions to figure out who killed whom. In this specific plot, there were 3 murders and 3 different criminals, spread across 3 acts during afternoon tea, dinner and breakfast the next morning. We were divided into tables of 8 to 10 people and we all participated in solving this case. In short, it was definitely a unique and cool way to spend time, so guess how much it cost me in the comments.